konnichiwa, Jamu desu, and welcome to Hikari Online Class. So for today's lesson ay pag-aaralan natin ang lesson 2 in our grammar discussion. So are you ready? Ja, hajimemashou. Okay, so this is our lesson 2, and the first part of this is about kore, sore, are. Okay, so these are demonstratives and they work as nouns. So kore refers to a thing near the speaker. So kore is malapit sa'yo. Sore refers to a thing near to the listener. So malapit sa kausap mo or sa nakikinig sa'yo. And then 3 is are refers to a thing that far from the speaker and the listener. So are is far from the both of you. Okay, so here's an example for that. Okay, so kore. So this is kore near the speaker. So mostly kore is just near you or you are holding it. Okay, hinahawakan mo or malapit lang sa'yo or abot kamay mo lang. Next, sore is near the listener. So means malapit sa kausap mo or maybe hinahawakan niya. And then next, are or far from them or the both of you and the listener. So malayo sa inyo ng kausap mo. So in Tagalog it is ayun. Okay? So kore is ito, sore is yan, and are is ayun. Okay? So just like that. And next, so let's practice kore, sore, are in this part. But before practicing this, so let's just review some vocabularies here in this picture. Okay? So this is the one he's holding is book. So in Japanese it is hon. Okay? Hon. Next is a computer. You can use computer or pasokon for this. Okay? So we will just use pasokon for this one. Okay, next is picture in the second person here. So picture in Japanese is e. Okay? E. Next, stump. Stump is kite. Kite. Okay? Next up is cake or keki. Keki. Okay? That's it. Okay, how about the are part? So let's start from airplane. Airplane in Japanese is hikoki. Hikoki. Okay? Next up is clock. Okay? Clock in Japanese is tuke. Tuke. Okay? Next, cat. Cat in Japanese is neko. Neko. Okay? Next is shoes, or in Japanese it is kutsu. Kutsu. Okay? And last for this vocabulary is umbrella, or in Japanese it is kasa. Okay? Kasa. Okay, so I hope you remember some of these vocabulary here. So we will going to practice it using the kore, sore, are. Okay? Let's just try this one. Kore wa hon desu. Okay? Kore wa hon desu. Okay? So how about this? Okay, so it's still malapit sa kanya. So you just said, kore wa pasokon desu. Kore wa pasokon desu. Okay? How about this one? So we will gonna use sore. Okay, sore. For this one, we will gonna use sore. Okay? Near to the listener. Okay, so sore wa e desu. Sore wa e desu. E is picture. Okay, next is stump. Okay, so this is stump. So you can say stump is kite. Okay? Sore wa kite desu. Sore wa kite desu. Okay? And next is cake. Okay? So sore wa keki desu. Sore wa keki desu. Okay? How about those are far away from the both of them. So you just use, okay, first is the airplane. So you can just are wa, okay, are wa hikoki desu. Are wa hikoki desu. Okay, next, the clock. So you can say are wa kei desu. Are wa tokei desu. Or you can use the cat. Are wa neko desu. Are wa neko desu. Okay? And the shoes. Are wa kutsu desu. Are wa kutsu desu. And last, the umbrella. Are wa kasa desu. Are wa kasa desu. Okay, so that is how you gonna practice the kore, sore, and are. Okay, next up is, okay, let's practice a conversation using this one. So first, let's read all the conversation. Sumimasen, sore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa hana desu. Kore wa hana no shashin desu. Sodeska. Arigato. Okay, now let's try a role play. So first, I will be A and you will be B. Okay? Okay, let's start. Sumimasen. Sore wa nan desu ka? Sodeska. Arigato. Okay, good job for that. How about let's try switch role. So you will be A and I will be B. Okay? On 3, 2, 1, go. Kore wa hana desu. Kore wa hana no shashin desu. Okay, good job for that. Okay, next up is kono noun, sono noun, and ano noun. Okay, so since this is noun, we use no to connect this one. So change re to no. So that would mean kono noun, sono noun, and ano noun. So they modify nouns. So kono noun refers to a thing or a person near the speaker. Next, sono noun refers to a thing or a person near the listener. And ano noun refers to a thing and a person far from both the speaker and the listener. Okay, so the position of this is just the same, just you use ano, kono, and sono for that noun. Okay, so here's an example. Kono hon. Okay, kono hon. So, kono hon wa dare no desu ka? Sono hon wa watashi no desu. Okay? Again, kono hon wa dare no desu ka? Sono hon wa watashi no desu. So that means A, kono hon wa dare no desu ka? So, whose book is this? And then, sono hon wa watashi no desu. Okay? That book is mine. Okay? That book is mine. Next, sono kasa. Sono kasa. Okay? Sono kasa wa anata no desu ka? Iie, kono kasa wa watashi no ja arimasen. Iie, kono kasa wa watashi no ja arimasen. Okay? Next, ano kuruma. Ano kuruma. Ano kuruma wa dari no desu ka? Ano kuruma wa dari no desu ka? Whose car is that? Ano kuruma kuruma wa sensei no desu. Kuruma wa sensei no desu. So it's sensei's car or it's teacher's car. Okay? Okay, so let's review it again. Kono hon means this book. Suno kasa means that umbrella. And kuruma, that car. Okay? So now let's proceed to the next part, which is so des and so ja ari. In the case of a noun sentence, the word so is often used to answer a question requiring an affirmative or negative answer. Okay? So for example, hi, so desu is the affirmative answer. Next, iie, so ja arimasen is the negative answer. Okay, again, hi, so desu is the affirmative answer, and iie, so ja arimasen is the negative answer. Okay, so as I said, this is affirmative, ja arimasen is the negative form. So just same this one. So means hi, so desu, you mean that you agree to the statement. Okay? And iie, so ja arimasen is that you don't agree to the sentence or to the statement. Okay? So next, an example for how to use that one. So let's practice again, but first let's read it. Sumimasen, Mako-san, kaisha in desu ka? Hai, so desu. Watashi mo kaisha in desu. So desu ka? Okay? Now let's practice role playing. So I will be A and you will be B. Okay, let's start. Sumimasen, Mako-san wa kaisha in desu ka? Watashi mo kaisha in desu. Okay, good job for that. How about this time? Let's switch role. You will be A and I will be B. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hai, so desu. So desu ka? Okay, so good job for that. And another one. Okay, so let's practice first in reading this. Sumimasen, Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka? Iie, so ja arimasen. Okay, let's repeat it. Sumimasen, Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka? Iie, so ja arimasen. Okay, now let's practice in role playing. So I will be A and you will be B. Sumimasen, Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka? Iie. Okay, now let's switch role. You will be A and I will be B. 3, 2, 1, go. Iie, so ja arimasen. Okay, so good job for that. And now let's proceed to the next. Okay, so aside from ja arimasen, so the verb chigaimasu or to differ can be used to mean so ja arimasen. For example, sumimasen, Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka? Iie, chigaimasu. Okay? Iie, chigaimasu. Or that would be mean, no, you're wrong. Okay? So let's practice it. So I will be A and you will be B. Sumimasen, Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka? Okay, so now let's switch role. You will be A and I will be B. Iie, chigaimasu. Okay, so So that's it to how to use soja arimasen as chigaimasu. So generally or mostly, iie chigaimasu is actually used or you can hear, okay, in daily conversation. Okay. And now let's proceed to the next, okay? So this is sentence 1 ka, sentence 2 ka. Okay, S means sentence. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so this is a question asking the listener to choose between alternatives. Okay, so S sentence 1 and S sentence 2 for the answer. So as an answer to this type of question, the chosen sentence is stated neither hai nor iye is used. Okay, again, neither hai nor iye is used. Okay, so you just choose between which is your choice. So for example this, okay, let's practice in reading this first. それは傘ですか? カバンですか? Okay, so you can be これは傘です or you can just answer 傘です. Okay, so you will gonna answer or you will just gonna answer what is the correct answer and you just add this. Okay, so this is making a choice if you choose this one or this one. Okay, that is the literal meaning for kasa desu ka? Kaban desu ka? Okay, in English, sore wa kasa. In Japanese, this is sore wa kasa desu ka? Kaban desu ka? So in English, this means that is this an umbrella or a bag? Okay, is this an umbrella or a bag? Then you will answer this is umbrella or this is bag. So the same process in Japanese, that's way you will answer that. Okay? So again, let's practice them by having the role play. So I will be A and you will be B. Okay? それは傘ですか? カバンですか? Okay, good job. Next, let's switch role. You will be A and I will be B. これは傘です. Okay, so that is okay. So our next topic is N1 no N2. Okay, so you learned in lesson 1 that no is used to connect two nouns when noun 1 modifies N2. Now in this lesson, you will learn two other uses of no. So N1 explains what N2 is about. Okay, that means N1 explains what N2 is about. For in our conversation here, A means それは何の雑誌ですか? So what kind of magazine is this? Okay, what kind of magazine is this? And then you answer これは自動車の雑誌です. So this is about this is about automobile magazine, or you could also say that it is a magazine of automobile. Okay, next, another way or another use of no is noun 1 explains who owns noun 2. Okay, noun 1 explains who owns noun 2. So as you can see, who means dare in Japanese. So you just put or between that one, so you just make dare no. Okay, so let's try the example here. それは誰の雑誌ですか? So that means who owns this or that magazine. Okay, again. それは誰の雑誌ですか? So that means who owns that magazine? Okay, and you answer これは私の zashi desu. Or you can just say, watashi no desu. Okay, when you say kore wa watashi no zashi desu, this means this is my magazine. But when you say watashi no desu, it means it's mine. Okay? But you can just both answer both. But it's important that you answer in a complete sentence. Okay? Okay. Let's do the practice here. それは誰の雑誌ですか? 答えは、これは私の雑誌です。Okay, so let's do the role play. I will be A and you will be B. Okay, それは誰の雑誌ですか? Okay, good job for that. How about let's switch role. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. これは私の雑誌です。Okay, so and to is sometimes omitted when it is obvious. Okay, so that is how you say zashi, or you can just remove kore or korewa and then zashi. So you just can say watashi no desu. It's mine. It's, or you can just, if not yours, you can just say it's sensei's magazine, or you just can say it sensei no desu. Okay? So it is when it is literally obvious or when you are holding that thing. Okay, and next would be sodeska. Okay, so this expression is used when the speaker receives a new information and shows that he or she understands. Okay, so sodeska. So you are kind of giving an expression. Ah, ganun pala. Just like in Tagalog. Okay? So now, let's practice in having or using that expression here in a conversation. So first, let's read it. あの傘はあなたのですか? いえ、違います。趣味とさんのです。そうですか? Okay, so let's practice this conversation. この傘はあなたのですか? いえ、違います。趣味とさんのです。そうですか? Okay, so that is how you're gonna say it. Now let's practice role playing. I will be A and you will be B. この傘はあなたのですか? So desu ka? Okay, now let's switch role. You will be A and I will be B. 3, 2, 1, go. そうですか? Okay, so that is how you will use the expression so desu ka. In Tagalog, it could be mean na, ganun ba? Or just like that. So you receive an information and then it implies that you understand it clearly. Okay? So, that's the end for our lesson. これで終わりました. So, I hope you understand all about our lesson 2. See you again next time, minasan! 頑張ってください. Goodbye!